Lift the gaze. Exhale, relax your arms by your side. Good. Shift the weight into the left foot, hug the right knee into your chest. Pause. Focus the gaze on something that isn't moving. Inhale. Then as you exhale, hands come to prayer. Send the chest forward, hinging from the hips as you extend the leg back, coming through warrior three. Hands could always come down for support. Pause for a deep breath in. With your breath out, carefully lower the back foot. Arms up, inhale, high lunge. Exhale here. Press through the back foot, pause for a breath in. This time as you exhale, lean forward, rest your belly on your thigh, arms reaching towards the top of the mat, gaze down. Pause for a breath in. Exhale out. Hands come down to the mat, push the floor away. Lift your knee in towards your nose. It's okay if the foot stays on the ground. Pause for a breath in. Exhale out, step to plank. Hold for an inhale.